YouTube? This your boy Richie Rich Mo back at it again with another video. Today is the second video. This is the next day of the vlog. We are going to pick up the Type R spoiler for the car that comes for the Integras. Shout out to the homie Steven. If you guys don't know, Steven is the homie that always be in my videos. He have the RX-7. He just bought himself a fucking warehouse where he got some of his cars stored, and he got an Integra. So he told me he had two Integra wing spoilers. He had the stock one, which is white, and he got a black one that's a Type R that's never been used. So I'm about to go pick that goddamn Type R up. And you see the homie Fluffy right here. Make sure you guys go follow the bro right now on his Instagram, as you see right here on the video. Make sure you guys go follow him right now. So we're about to go to Steven's house. We're about to go pick up the spoiler, and we're about to go do what he doing. Let's see what he do. And he got his Integra over there too, so we're gonna go check that out. But man, woo, I'm driving my damn dream car. This is crazy. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm driving my Teggy. Ooh-wee. This car is like in so much great condition. This shit is insane, man. But we're driving to the homie Steven. I got the homie Fluff right behind me in the BRZ. Oh my man, this car drives so amazing. Oh my gosh, man. I'm so excited. Whew, I'm so excited to have this car. I am so excited, man. I got my dream car, and like I said, a lot of people will probably be like, it's just an Integra or Honda or whatever, but the cool thing is it's more than that, you know what I'm saying? So for me to be driving this car, I'm super excited, and I'm excited, man. We got so much shit we're gonna do to this car. It's about to be crazy, man. Hey, okay, we pulled up the homie Fluffy right here in the BRZ, and we are here at the new place, man. Shout out to Steven, man. We just pulled up. Steve. Right. Oh yeah, please don't never forget Mortal Society performance all day. You know what I'm saying? The homie Steven, man. Ooh, finally made it. Hey, what's up with it, bro? All right, so Steven headquarters, you know what I'm saying? Man, hey, I'm proud of you, bro. This is dope, man. Warehouse, man, got his hot rods, GTA style. Look at his Teggy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. When you get this?
This one's bigger.
What? Wow, look at this motherfucker right here. Oh, ooh. God damn. Why he's got the shit on my dreams right now?
This could be you.
No.
I got a turbo sitting over there. I got a 3-series manifold.
Oh yeah. I'm buying parts. I'm definitely buying parts. Oh my gosh. Wait, what is that over there?
A lot of stuff. What,
Is that a part of the Teggy?
yeah, that's all tech parts.
Are you serious?
That's all of this stuff.
What? So what is the white? Is that like fenders or something
Yeah,
like
regular
that?
fenders.
So
They were rolled, and whoever rolled it did a terrible job.
Oh, okay. That's dope. Oh shit. Check this out though. Wow. So you've been working on I seen you've been working on the RX-7? Oh, hold on. Are you using that for you?
I don't know.
If you're not using it for you, I'll buy it from you. So I'm eventually buy a new engine. Definitely. Before I start working on it. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my gosh.
I don't want to have one.
Oh my gosh. I think I might have to buy this if he don't use this turbo. Oh my gosh. Look at this shit. This is insane. Are you kidding me?
4 turbos.
4 fucking...
Can you get one of those to fit under my head?
shit. Got another RX-7 pulling up. God damn. Shit, bro.
This man said 400 to the wheels.
Bro. This is the wing I'm buying. This is the wing. This is my new wing. I gotta take a picture of it outside.
Got you.
We gotta do that.
Got you.
This shit is so sick, y'all. I like this. Definitely gonna do the tire letterings. This is Steven's ride. He got the RX-7 right there he's working on. He got his fucking truck. He got another one. Bags. Everything is bags. And also, if you guys ain't know, his homie comes with a dope ass RX-7. Super sick. Legendary JDM cars. And then Steven's other car is right here. Matter of fact, He got the Volkswagen Golf right here. He got, so Steven is doing his thing, man. Steven's only like 21. He's doing all his shit. And this whole warehouse is his. But you know, this is how we do it, man. We pulling up big gang stuff. Man, it's so dope to have my dream car, man. So, but we are here. We out here. We're doing our thing. Steven's doing his great job, man. We out here, man. It's such a blessing, man. It's such a blessing. But for me to have my project car is so sick. I'm so happy. Oh my God. But check this shit out. Yeah, this RX-7 right here is fire, y'all. How long you had this for?
6-7 years.
Whoa.
This is nice, man. Oh, I love what you did right here. That's fucking dope.
Gotta mess with it. It's irritating.
We out here, man. This is fucking dope. I love RX-7s. Damn. I'm hella thinking about doing the same thing, like gutting out the back.
I would do a seat or back seat.
Yeah.
Well, I guess right in my kind of driveway.
Well, it should be, I think. Right? Everything should have been different. Yes, it was.
Damn, these are nice. Woo. RX-7, man. Beast. All right, so I just made it back from Steven's warehouse. Shout out to Steven, man, doing his thing, man. So we finally got the Type R spoiler for the car, and we have something dope that Steven hooked me up with. So I'm not gonna show you guys on this video. The next video, stay tuned. The next video, I got something that's dope, and it's gonna actually help the car increase horsepower and increase the breathing. So if you guys already know about cars, you guys already know what I'm talking about. Stay tuned for tomorrow's next video. And my gosh, we got so much shit to do. We gotta build this car, and we're gonna make it look so fucking dope. We're gonna fucking make it lower. We're gonna do a whole new paint job. We're gonna do a whole lot of stuff, a whole lot of gang shit. And yeah, check out. No more front lights play. This shit was trash. So we're gonna be blacking out the lights. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff. We're gonna be repairing certain things on this car. I want to like repair like some of the lights, trying to bring them back. If we can't bring them back, we're gonna get some overlays to overlay the car. As you guys can see, I took that whole fucking strip off because it was hanging off. So what I'm gonna do is replace that. It's hella cheap. I can buy that shit on eBay for like 20 bucks just to get a slab of the black little piece. Then yeah, man, we're gonna get this car looking good. As you guys can see, the paint is but other than that, the car runs. Interior is amazing. As you guys can see inside the car, I'm gonna take that bullshit bat off the car. But if you guys look in the car, we got the fucking Type R wing. So this is not nothing else. This is the legit Type R wing for the Integra. So for the Integra Type R's, we got the wing, and it's gonna be fucking dope. So it's gonna be fucking awesome. I'm thinking about blacking out the lights, and for some reason, I'm gonna get this wording in black. I'm gonna get it in black, and yeah, it's gonna be so dope, man. I'm so excited. We're gonna do a lot of things, and you know, we're gonna have to definitely change that motherfucking muffler. And right here too, as you guys can see, what I'm gonna do is get the word Integra in black. I'm trying to find a way to get the words in black, and yeah, it's gonna be dope, man. So, and I got the fucking sunroof. I'm not a moonroof. I still got the sunroof, so I'm excited about that. And yeah, so it's about to get crazy. The JDN lifestyle is just beginning. My little brother got his Honda right there, but Yeah, so it's gonna get crazy. I got a lot of stuff I'm about to do to this shit. It's about to get insane. And I already got a lot of modifications, but we're gonna show you guys daily by each video. So thank you guys so much. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. I got my dream car. I got my dream build car that we're gonna be building on this platform. So can't wait. Let's get this game going. See you next.